Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the specifications of your Microsoft Surface Studio 2. So to do that, we have to go to the Start menu, then open Settings. In Settings, select System on the sidebar and scroll down all the way to About section. Here in the About section, you can find the main hardware elements of your device, the device specifications list, and Windows specifications list. Besides, you can also right-click the taskbar and go to Task Manager to open the sidebar and go to Performance, where you can find more information about each hardware element of your device with its name, resource consumption, graphs, and also some specifications related to the specific hardware element. Besides, you can also open the Start menu and search the Surface application if you want to find out more information like warranty or serial number or this BIOS version date, BIOS date, which is basically the manufacturing date of your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.